Class 4. Today I will explain you the structure of a tooth. In your science class, previously you have learned about the plant has two portions. The portion which is above the ground is known as shoot, and the portion which is below the ground is known as root. Similarly, a tooth has two portions. The portion which is above the gum is the crown, and the portion which is below the gum is known as root. Now let us see. Each root has two parts, crown and root. The part of the tooth above the gum that we can see is the crown. The part of the tooth inside the gum that we cannot see is the root. So the portion which we cannot see is the root, and the portion which we see is the crown. So this portion is the crown, and the portion below inside the gum is the root. The gum hold the teeth in the jaw. The gum hold the teeth in the jaw. Now, one more thing, you just remember, you must be saying that what is tooth and teeth. Class 4. Tooth is a singular when we are talking about one teeth, and one tooth, and teeth is the plural. Teeth is the plural when we talk more than one tooth. When there are two tooth like this, is we call it teeth, and single one piece is known as tooth. Clear? Well, now come back to the paragraph again. So the portion which is above the gum is the crown. The portion inside the gum is the root. Root we cannot see, crown we can see. Or the portion we see in our mouth, the teeth what we see are the crown. The outer white covering of the tooth is called enamel. The outer white covering is called the enamel. The outer covering. It is the hardest part of the tooth. It is the hardest part of the tooth. The bony material inside the enamel that form the main part of the tooth is called the dentine. So what is dentine? The bony material inside the enamel. So dentine is inside the enamel. So we have the crown. The crown is comprised of enamel and dentine. Now dentine, which is not only in you can have in the crown, it also go inside the gum also. So this portion, you can see the white portion or the creamy portion is the dentine. The center of the tooth is called pulp. So the center of this portion, the brown portion which you can see, is known as the pulp. It is the soft part of the tooth. It has blood vessels and nerves. So all our nerves, the veins, the nerves where we have in our tooth are found over here in pulp. So you can see this colorful line. You can see this single lines drawn over here are the lines which you can see over here, the nerves and blood vessels. So this is the structure of the tooth. So we have this one. Let's see. So in your book you have this one. So label the diagram of the structure of a tooth. So after this class you can take out your science copy and then you can draw and then you can label it. See, the portion which is above the gum is known as crown. Is known as crown. CROWN. Yes, CROWN. OWN. Next, the portion which is inside the gum is known as ROOT, root. Very good. Next, the crown, we can see the crown, the upper portion of the crown, which is a hard layer, known as enamel, which is known as enamel. E-N-A, M-E-L, enamel. Next, the portion which is hardest is also a hard portion of the tooth, which form the main part of the tooth, is known as dentine. Dentine, D-E-N-T-I-N-E, D-E-N-T-I-N-E. Then after that, the portion which you can see over here, the brown portion which is covering the blood vessel and the nerves in it, is the pulp, P-U-L-P, P-U-L-P. Now inside this pulp we have the blood vessels, and the nerves, N-E-R-V-E-S, N-E-R-V-E-S, nerves. Now all these things, the pulp, nerves and dentine, are inside the yes, inside the gum, So this is the structure of our tooth. I hope class you understood. Thank you.